Hey everybody, this is Nandork Nick. Today we're going to learn about chainsaws. Vroom vroom! Oh hey look, everybody, look at what I found, my stunt buddy Keith. Alright, some rules that you should keep in mind when using a chainsaw is number 1, be safe. Number 2, do not kill yourself. Number 3, have fun but be safe. Number 4, always have a buddy with you. If you do get hurt, scream as loud as you can. This is the chainsaw we're using today. For safety purposes, when you're not using it, make sure the train brake is on. And this is how you do it. Push it forward. Alright, folks. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pouring gas in there. You want a 50-to-1 ratio.
Not normal gas.
Yeah. Then we want to use chain oil. Be careful and do not overfill. That would be a big mess.
Big.
Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is take the shield off. Second thing you want to do is make sure the brake is on. Next, you want to pull the level down to choke. Our next step is you want to put it between your legs or on the ground and pull it until you hear it stop going. Then once you hear it's going, pull it up to half choke. And once you hear it going, take the brake off. Alright, we're going to point out some safety feature that my stunt devil have. First, you want a helmet. You want some ear protection. You want a face mask. You want some gloves. You want some chaps. And then last thing, you want some thick boots. Alright, now since we are safe and still alive, we are gonna have some fun and go cut a tree. Woohoo! Woo! Alright, now we're gonna have some fun and cut this tree down. Alright folks, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. And it was a good day because we followed our safety rules. Number 1 was we stayed safe. And number 2, no one died. Number 3, we had fun and stayed safe. And number 4, we had a buddy and we didn't have to scream. Alright, until next time, Nandork Nick is out.